Hi guys. Okay,
Guys.
time check. It's 2:30.
Is it?
Yeah, 2 minutes
Yes,
for
it's
2:30.
2:30 and this is our room.
Yeah, we have we're going to have a room tour. You like that? Okay.
Yes, sad to say we don't have a room number.
Okay.
But I believe what is our room number?
Okay. Let's knock. Okay.
Enter. And
guys.
some of
So-
our mates are sleeping.
This is the room for good for 6. So we have here a double deck. Okay, see that one? And this single bed for drunk guy. And single bed good for 2 drunk guy. Okay? Dual drunk guy. Okay, so they have aircon there. And if you want what do you call it?
See, wall fan.
Wall fan. And then you have TV that is not working. Okay.
Is it
Huh?
not working?
Sorry, it's working. And then we will go to the
Let's visit
our roommates there in panoramic view. Wow, I like that.
Should
Let's
I
knock.
knock now?
Yeah, knock. Okay, knock. See? So this is the room for what? For 3? Okay. For 5. So guys, this is the room for
Why is
5.
someone
This single bed here.
Changing clothes? For single people.
Single people only.
Bumitaw ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong huli na, alam kong hindi na nga mahal.
Namimiss mo.
So who's your double? John D. John.
Spooning together.
And here's my friend,
guys.
the youngest guy. Okay.
The lover boy.
The lover boy in Coron. Single bed. Okay. So this is their view. Wow, there's a swimming pool there. Very good. Okay. Okay, thank you very much guys for your
More red doors.
huh?
More red doors.
More red doors. Okay. After this, we will go to Tapias, Mount Tapias. We will.
It's your hair.
Oh, come! Cut! We will go to the room tour for the
Room number
panoramic view. Room number 10, guys. 10.
Paluas.
Follow us. Okay.
You see the boss?
Yeah, that's the boss, the financer. So here's the room number 10 for the panoramic view.
Lasing na kayo?
Guys,
Room service.
this is the best room in the town. See? Can we have a room tour?
Pwede naman.
Okay. Room tour. Hey, wait, how come? Close it. Okay. Good. So guys, we are now here in the panoramic view. Good for 3. So we have here, see? A double bed for 2 person and a single bed.
But this very big.
He's our young
Her.
her. She. Why is it's called wow. See that one? Panoramic view. Wow. Okay. And now we will go to Mount Tapias. We'll just
Be our financer.
financer. Boss.
Manager.
The manager is the manager. See? Look at that. The financer. Okay. Okay, guys. We're time check 2:35. We will go to Mount Tapias.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sorry for the disturbance, inconvenience. Do not disturb. Okay, everyone. Okay. Thank you very much.